Hey, hi all. Thank you for enrolling in this course. So this will be a first lecture. So let's walk through a syllabus which we are going to take ahead in this course. Okay. So this is the syllabus. So first of all, we will see the introduction about the Teradata, which is an DWH. So these particular topics will be covered. You can see we will start with really basics, which will be from OLTP to the advantages of relation database system. So this will be topics which will be covering. Then we will walk through with the Teradata architecture. So it is a foundation and we should have a really good foundation. That's the reason this topic is uh, included in this syllabus. Then as every database has structure, so TD also have the structure. By the way, TD means Teradata. So I'll be using this nomenclature throughout the course. So I will be saying TD. Okay. So these parts will be covered. So in this data distribution, how data is distributed, then indexes in Teradata. So we have so many indexes in Teradata. So we'll be going through all of those in very detail. So this part will be covered. Then we will be taking look after the data protection. So as every database has their own protection mechanism, like in Oracle we have rack DG and all those things. In SQL Server we have high availability and all those things. In TD we do have some mechanisms to prevent failure, and disk level failure, row level failure, and so many things. So we will be going through those as well. Then we will walk through with the spaces. So as in other database, we have a permanent space, then the temp space. We do have those kind of spaces in Teradata as well. So we'll go through that. Then uh, Teradata supports two kind of SQL statement, which is ANSI and non-ANSI. So we will be going through that as well. Then this is the Teradata SQL. So Teradata comes with its special functions which we don't have in other databases. So we'll go through that. Then we have some advanced functions. So the csum, yum is what you may be feeling is new for you if you don't come from any SQL background, and macros is something new as well. Apart from this, most of things, if you know SQL, you might know this. Then we will be seeing the Teradata's, like every database have a unique feature, right? So Teradata has its unique feature, which is its utilities. So we have couple of utilities, so we'll be seeing those utilities. So we will be learning this tool called SQL Assistant, which is predominantly used in industry. So I have used this tool a lot, so we will be going through this. Then we will see the BTech. So this is the utility which is used heavily again in industry for doing manipulation on all those things. And if you want to load the file, we use fast load. And if you want to export the file data into a file, we use a fast export. We'll go through that as well. Then we have multi-load, uh, which we will see why we use and what are the phases and what are the things for it. And we will see some performance tuning part and the other techniques as well. So we have so many things to look after. So this was the first lecture where we will discuss the syllabus of the Teradata. So this is the syllabus which I have designed for you guys, and hopefully you will like the syllabus and the course. So if you haven't enrolled in our course, please do enroll, and let's see in next lecture. Thank you.